Converting ounces to gallons, a quick guide.
Hello, and welcome to our quick guide on unit conversions. Today, we're going to focus on converting ounces to gallons, which is an important conversion often used in cooking, science, and everyday life. We will be specifically converting 64 ounces to gallons.
Understanding the units.
Before we start with the conversion, it's essential to understand the units we're dealing with. In this case, we're working with ounces, oz, and gallons, gal, two units of volume commonly used in the United States. 1. Ounce, oz. An ounce is a unit of weight or volume in the U.S. customary and British imperial systems of measurement. The fluid ounce is a measure of volume and is used mostly in the United States. 2. Gallon, gal. A gallon is a unit of volume specifically used in the U.S. customary and British imperial systems of measurement. The U.S. gallon, used in this conversion, is defined as 128 U.S. fluid ounces.
The conversion formula.
Now, let's move on to the conversion formula. The key conversion factor we need to know is that 1 U.S. gallon is equivalent to 128 U.S. fluid ounces. So, to convert ounces to gallons, we use the following formula. Gallons equals ounces divided by 128.
Applying the conversion formula.
Let's apply our conversion formula to convert 64 ounces to gallons. Using the formula from section 2, we have gallons equals 64 ounces divided by 128. This simplifies to gallons equals 0.5, so 64 ounces is equivalent to 0.5 gallons. And that's it. Now you know how to convert ounces to gallons. Remember, the key is to know your conversion factor. 1 gallon equals 128 ounces. Using this, you can easily convert any amount of ounces into gallons. We hope this video guide has been helpful for you. Happy converting!